Morning children. Today we are going to learn about again some sums in exercise 2.2 continuation. Third one, to the children B. Find the value of the following third question. Page number 40. B 54,279 into 92 plus 8 into 54,279. Already I explained like this one, that is distributive law. Distributive law means, for example, A into B plus A into C is equal to A into B plus C. Okay, like that above I will arrange. See the children, this number first is there now for this one, like that this one also write first. 54,279 into 92 plus 54,279 into 8. Okay, 54,279 into 8. Okay. Children, this is the first same number. A into B plus A into C. So is equal to, we have A into B plus C. A into B plus C. A into B plus. Okay. A into B plus A into C equal to A into B plus. This is distributive law, multiplication over addition. Okay na? Like that, take first one, A into B plus A into C equal to, here A is equal to 54,279 and B is equal to 92 and C is equal to 8. Okay? A into means 54,279 into B plus C. What is the B? 92. This is A, this is A, this is B. This is A, this is C. A into B plus C plus 8. Okay na? Very easy method. Very easy. 54,279 into 92 plus 8. What is the value of 92 plus 8? Very easy. 100. With the 100 multiplication, very easy na? 54,279 into one same number, 0, 0. Very easy method. Okay? So find like this. We'll see next one. C also will see. C. C. 81,265 into 169 minus 81,265 into 69. This one and above is the same, but instead of plus minus 10, that is addition, this is subtraction. Okay children, so same formula, same property. A into B minus A into C is equal to A into B minus C. A into B minus C. This is distributive law. Distributivity of multiplication over subtraction. Multiplication over subtraction. Okay? See the children. Apply this formula, we get the easy value. Okay, what is that? 81,000 A into B minus A into C is equal to A into, where A is equal to this one, this is B, this is A, this is C. A into B minus C. A into B minus C. Okay. This is B, this is C. 81, 265. Subtract 69 from 169. 100, very easy. With the 100 multiplication, very easy na? 265 into 1, same value, 0. Very easy method by using the property. Okay, children. Next, find the product using suitable properties. Using suitable properties. First one, fourth sum, same way as fourth one. A. What is that? 738. 738 into 103. 738 into 103. 738 into, see the children, by using simple method, you can write 103, 100 plus 3, 103. Is it right or wrong? So this is closure property under addition. Sum of any two whole numbers is also a whole number. The above number written as like this. Okay, which property is here? Closure property. Since closure property under addition. Under addition. 100 plus 3. Okay. Again, see the children, this is A into B plus C. A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Use this formula. A into B plus A into C. What is this formula? Distributive law. Distributive law. Use this one. Find the value. Now this is A into B plus C. A into B plus A into C. Like this one. 738 into 100. 738 into 1, 738, 0, 0. Plus with the 3 multiplication. What is 3? 3 8s are 24. 2. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2, 11. Again 1 is again. 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 1, 22. Now add this one. How? 7 3 8 0 0. 2 2 1 4. 4 plus 0 4. 1 plus 0 1. 8 plus 2 10. 1. 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6 7. 76,014. Okay. So here two rules we are using: closure property and distributive law. Distributive law. Okay, children. Okay, 854 into 102. B. This one written as 854. 100 plus 2. What is the value of 100 plus 2? 100. Which formula? Sum of two whole numbers is also a whole number. This is closure property. Since closure law. Okay. Next one. 854 A into B plus C. This is which formula, right? A into B plus C. A into B plus A into C. So this is distributive law. Multiplication or addition. So this is A, this is B, this is C. Okay, A into B plus A into C. Very easy, na? Now 854 into 100, same number. 854 into 1, 854, 0, 0. With the 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 1 is the carry, 2 8s are 16 plus 1, 7. Now add 854, 0, 0, 7, 0, 8, 0, 11, 1, 7, 8, 80, what's that? 87, 108. Okay? 87, 108. This is the required. Okay, children? Next, D. D or C? See the sum number D. Thousand into 5, 1005 into 168. How can you write it? Like that above also. First I will write 168 into 1005. So I arrange it again. A into B is equal to B into A. Okay, this is commutative property. A into B is equal to B into A. Commutative. Okay, next one. 168 into, this is written as 1000 plus 5. Is it right? 1000 plus 5, 1005 na? Okay. This is A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. A into B plus A into C. Okay. 168. Where which one this one? Distributive law. Okay, children. 168 into 1000, A into B plus A into C. 168 into 1000, 168 into 1, 168, and take the zeros. Very easy method. Plus 5 8s are 40, 4 is carry. 5 6s are 30. 30 plus 4, 34. 3 is carry. Okay. 5 1s are 5 plus 3, 8. So now add, what is the value? 168, 0, 0, 0 plus 8 4. 0, 4, 8, 168. So 168, 840. Very easy now. 1,68,840. So this is the sum number 4. Okay. Okay, children. Next one. Sum number 5. Sum number 5. See the children, page number 40, fifth one. A taxi driver filled his car petrol tank with 40 liters of petrol on Monday. He filled 40 liters of petrol on Monday. The next day, he filled the tank with the 50 liters of petrol. If the petrol costs 44 per liter, how much did he spend in all on petrol? Okay. See the children, a taxi driver filled his petrol tank. Okay, very easy, but additional. What he is giving? So 40 liters on Monday and the next day. The next day means Tuesday. The petrol filled on Monday, 40 liters. Petrol filled on next day, 50 liters. Total 90. For 1 liter cost 44. For 90 liters, What is the, how can you find the 90 liters? Addition or multiplication? Yes, multiplication. Okay, children. Petrol filled, fifth one, page number 40. Petrol filled on Monday. Water 40 liters. 40 liters. Next, petrol filled on next day. 50 liters. See the children. Okay. Next, 40 liters and 50 liters. Total petrol filled. Total petrol filled. How can you find? Addition or subtraction? As total means together. Add 40 liters plus 50 liters. Total 90 liters. Total 90 liters.
You know how to start the Zoom, huh? In that room, switch on. I will switch on the computer, huh? So that Wi-Fi will come. Huh? Anything you just call.
Okay, 90 liters. Next, cost of 1 liter petrol. 1 liter petrol. How much giving? See, 44 rupees. Rupees 44. Now what is the cost of 90 liters? Cost of 90 liters petrol. 90 liters petrol. That is equal to 90 into 44. Children, we have good day biscuit packets. So one packet is 5 rupees. What is the 7 packets? 35. How? 7 5s are means you can multiply. 7 5s are 35. Like that, here we can multiply with 90. 90 into 40. Okay, find the product here. 90 into 44. So use the rearrangement. How can you find that? 90 into 44, 100 minus 10, 90. By use that rules. Rules means property. See the children. 90 into 44 is same as 44 into 90 na. 90 into 44 same as 44 into 90. Why? See the children, 44 into 100 minus 10. Is it right? 100 minus 10, get the 90. Why? For using the formula. Which formula? A into B minus C. A into B minus C. Okay? That is A into B minus A into C. A into B minus A into C. Find now. A, where A is equal to 44, B is 100, minus A is 44, C is 10. Okay? C is 10. Where is it? 100 minus 10, 90. Get the same result. So 44 into 1, 44, 0, 0, minus 44 into 10, 440. Now subtract. 4,400, 440. This is 0 minus 0. Take borrow. This will be 3. This is 10. 10 minus 9, 66. Okay, next. Again, this is 3. Take borrow. 13 minus 4, 9. 3,960 rupees. See the children, petrol purpose, the taxi driver, okay, he spent Therefore, he spends rupees 3,000 on petrol. Okay, this is the word sum. Okay, completed now. Next.